All right, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you all how to make a homemade Kydex holster. So not just any type of Kydex holster, but I'm gonna show you the way that I do it at home. It works, durability, outstanding, trust me, and also flexibility because it holds it really close to your stomach. And you're probably like, what am I talking about? Oh, I'm talking about appendix carry inside the waistband. Sorry, I just had a hiccup, but let's get into it. So the first thing you wanna do, you wanna have some type of cooking sheet. I wouldn't necessarily say cooking sheet, but some type of hard, sturdy material to cook or bake, however you want to put it, the Kydex material. Then you want to get the Kydex material itself. I would tell you all where to get this, but I'm probably not. Just figure it out. Before we get into the actual process of making this and the molding and everything, I'm gonna show you my preference for the oven temperature. Okay, pretty much go to the max setting. It doesn't matter. Just make it really, really hot. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I added the color texture, which was the red little droplets that you saw me put into the Kydex mixture. This is pretty much to help solidify and make the Kydex material a lot stronger and durable. So I'm gonna add my favorite and last thing, which solidifies it. It makes this extremely strong. It's like pretty much the same strength as titanium. Okay, well, let's just make sure the oven is actually on so you all don't think this is fake. Okay, so next procedure, when we start molding the Kydex and pretty much forming it around the weapon itself so we can get that nice, perfect finish of a holster that you always wanted. So first you want to do, get your light, attach it to the weapon, make sure the weapon's clear. It's definitely not clear. Should have did that prior to. Sorry if that was too loud. The light that we're going to be using is a TLR1HL 800 lumens. Get off of Amazon, it's a pretty nice price. So there we go. So when I come in and I go for that draw, I'm here, I pull out, pause. Then if I gotta reload, I just come there, you know, finger extended. So I like to angle mine a little bit, and then we're gonna put this in the oven, and then when it gets hot enough, we're gonna fold it over and everything's gonna be good to go. By the way, it's a Glock 19 Gen 4, if you ought to know, with a Magpul Glock magazine. I don't know, whatever, figure it out. We're gonna take it out the oven. Prior to this, we already folded in everything. And this is the finishing product. We're gonna let that cool off, and then we're gonna show you what that thing does. All right, to see if this actually works, we're gonna go through a little test run. Me, that seems like a good holster.